Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. This one has a long time coming. I got this mold from my housemate's daughter for Christmas? Yes, Christmas. Because she wanted me to make her something. Well, she wanted to buy me something for Christmas, but she didn't know what to get me, and I said, you find a mold on Amazon that you like, that you want me to make you, and I will make it for you. So apologies to her that this is so late, but I'm sure she's going to love it. Anyway, these are keychain molds. The mold is a little up on the corner here. I'm hoping that some resin in there will weigh it down. If not, I'm sure I've got something like magnets or something that I can put in there to keep it from, you know, warping the actual pieces. But these are all dragons. Can you see them? They're really, really cool. She's very much into fantasy books, so she very much wanted a dragon keychain, and the particular one that she would like me to do is this one right here, the yin and yang. She wants it, obviously, yin and yang colors, black and white, so I'm going to pour it in black, and then I'm going to use white paint to fill in the indents, which will then, hopefully, make it yin and yang. As for the other ones, I'm probably going to dust some of these with some different dust. So I've got my Let's Resin, the glitter. I'm going to grab the Intense Chameleon. I'm probably going to grab some Thermochromatic. Let me grab that actually real quick. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Ugh. Okay, so I grabbed everything. So I've got the Intense Chameleons. I've got the regular chameleons. And then I also got in these Let's Resin Thermochromatic. This was also a Christmas gift, I think from one of my children. And so they react to heat. Just want to grab out a couple of them. So yeah, actually I think I want to do quite a few in these thermochromatic colors. I want to see how they work with resin, you know, what they end up doing. So we got a purple, pink, and orange yellow, which looks very pink in person. A cyan green yellow, a dark green lime. For a second there, it looked like dragon green lime, and a violet blue. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these out because I'm going to definitely use these today. I'm going to make all of these. And do quite a few. That way if her sister wants some, or if my boys want one, you know, we can do that. So that's 5 colors, and I've got 9 here. So let's see what else we want to do. That's a purple. Let's do this fairy green. So that's 6. Let's do, isn't there a blue one in here? It's a dark magenta. Maybe there's not a blue one. Am I misremembering a blue? Oh, deep blue. Yes. So that's 7. So we need 2 more. Do I want to do a glittery one? Sure. Let's do a gold glitter. Pull out the gold glitter. This video is not sponsored by Let's Resin, but hey, Let's Resin, if you want to sponsor me. I'm already well invested in the company, as you can tell. We'll grab the gold glitter. Okay. And then let's do one of the regular chameleons. Put these back in. Again, trying to clean up after myself as I work, so that way this place doesn't get as bad as it was. Let's see. What color do we want to do? Teal, grape, no, mint, blue, magenta's pretty, champagne, golden, plum, olive, and galaxy. Let's do the galaxy. Okay. So there's our 9 colors right there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 colors. All right. So I'm going to go through and dust these off. These do, by the way, come with your keychain bits. So it even comes with a little post to put in there, and then your little keychains. So yeah, actually I didn't need 9 because this one's not going to be dusted, so I'll probably get rid of one of these ones. Let's get rid of the blue, and we'll keep the green. There we go. Okay, yes, so that's the plan for today. This was a not needed very long introduction. I'm just going to mix this, the resin with black, obviously, because, you know, black. And, yeah, we're gonna have fun today, okay? All right, let's hang out. Let's do this. Alright, these are ready. I used a stack of magnets that I had to kind of hold that corner down. It looks like it did a decent job, so we shall see. But I am very much looking forward to seeing how these look. Okay, so first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think, are the Thermochromatic. This one is just plain black. I don't know. We'll look at it. I think this one is the gold glitter. And then I think this one and this one are... No. This one and this one are the 2 chameleon powders. Okay. So let's see how it looks. I think I'm most excited to see how the Thermochromatic works. Like if it works, if it changes colors. You guys are seeing these before I am because I'm doing this upside down. So hopefully it looks cool. Y'all have to let me know in the comments if it looks cool. All right. Let's see. Is this a Thermochromatic? I don't think so. It's really cool looking though. Look how cool that is. It's like matte. Okay. This one I know is absolutely Thermochromatic, but I'm not really seeing any change. This one I know definitely is as well. Yeah, I'm not really seeing any change in these. I wonder, let me try something. This might get a little loud. I want to see if I put heat gun on it, if it'll change colors. 1 second. This one seemed like it did a little bit, like it got a little lighter, but it didn't really do much. So I think it's safe to say that the Thermochromatic powders don't dust very well. So I'm gonna have to look more into these. I do think that they look really cool. Either way, I really like those, just as they are. This is one of the chameleon powders. I think this is the intense. Yes, this is the intense chameleon powder. Ooh, look at that shift. Ooh, that's so pretty. Here is the plain black. And I do have the white to finish that off with. This is another, this is just a regular chameleon powder. It's kind of scratchy on it. I wonder if that's from, let me see if I can show you guys what I mean. Like right here. I wonder if that's from the mold or if that's from when the brush was a little wet from the alcohol that I used to clean it off before I got a second one. This is the gold one. This one has a little bit of extra around it that I need to trim off. But it's very pretty. And then I've already shown you guys this one. This is another one of those Thermochromatic ones. But it's a dragon holding a D20. It's really cool. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have this. It's my little handheld drill. And then of course I've got these. So, the first thing I want to do though is I want to finish this off with the white. And, oh, that's cool. I didn't even realize that there were like little coin ridges around that one. That's cool looking. Oh, this one has it too. That's so funny. Yeah, so I want to finish this off with the white and let that dry, and then we will add the, you know, keychain. You guys have seen that. If you haven't before, search my channel for how I finish off my resin pieces. Or you can look at really anybody who's a resin artist that does that kind of thing. I think this is the only one I'm going to finish off. I really, really enjoy like the matte finish and the gloss in there. I think it's freaking beautiful. So I'm going to finish that off screen. I'm going to make these into keychains off screen, so you don't have to watch all of that. But yeah, that's today's video. So stick around for the glamour shots if you want to see how this one turns out once it's done. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.